What's going on, everybody? Today we are looking at Bitcoin for a live price analysis. This is a BTC to the USD. I'll be doing a crypto trading chart to show you what's coming next in the quick cycle and how you can make some money. So ain't nothing to it but to do it. Let's go ahead and make this money.
Like a boss.
Live from USA, helping you get paid every day. This is the boss of Bitcoin, the Cristo of crypto. It's your boy BK. And if you don't like me, you must not like money. Thank you for joining me, everybody. Today we're looking at Bitcoin. As I mentioned, I think we are coming up to the conclusion of a quick cycle. So will we break out? Will we break down? That is yet to be seen. But hopefully by the end of this video, you'll get a little bit of insight on how you can make some green in between. If this is your first time tuning in, congratulations, baby. You are now rocking with the best. My name is BK, known as the Crypto Trader, and I'm the boss of these charts, as you will soon find out. Every day I grace this microphone with my voice is another day you can profit as a result, and today is no exception. So let's jump into it right now on Bitcoin. This is a quick update for you guys. I just want to let you know that I do have a Telegram group. This is 100% completely free, and the link is in the description. So again, the Telegram group link is in the description. I think we have about 550 people in that group, and I'll be sharing this content to them as well. So here we go, man. BTC to the USD. This is the boss method. It works quite well. 3 simple moving averages. If you want to know how you can use it yourself to make money in the market, feel free to type into Google how to chart like a boss. That will take you to my playlist, and you can watch the first couple videos and be well on your way to making some serious money in the market. And oh, by the way, if you haven't done it yet, make sure you subscribe, like this video, show me some love in the comments. Let me know what you think about it. If you think Bitcoin's gonna keep going up, let me know. If you think it's gonna drop down, let me know, and we'll keep the discussion engaging. But this community does not exist without you, right? So here we go. This is BTC to the USD. This is what I look at when I see the chart. Essentially, we've had a very, very, very good run here, right? When you draw, and let me take this thing off for now. But when you basically draw a trend line from 2 points at the bottom, the point right here and a point right here, right? And you basically connect, and I'm sorry, that wasn't the point, right here. You connect those 2 points. This basically gives you like the recovery zone. Like as long as we were above that price on the white line, the moving average white line, then we were doing good. And this was kind of our breakdown zone. So you do the exact same thing, copy and paste it, put it going down, and that gives you that channel. So essentially that becomes our channel. Now, one thing you want to look for are these moments of congregation, right? On the left-hand side of the chart, this normally signifies that this area is indeed a critical point in the market. We had one right there, and if we go a little bit higher, we have another one right there. One thing you can do that's very, very easy on Tradingview is simply extend this line to our current trend line, and you basically get like this nice little wedge, right? And again, copy and paste it. Throw it up top, extend it out, and that becomes the little wedge on that side. Now, what are the prices on that? One thing I'll try to do for you guys is put price targets in here. This price is essentially 70, looks like, what is this? We'll put it at the top, right there in the middle. About $7,900. That's kind of our first, area. And then this one up here is about, I think it comes in right around $8,800, right? Right there, right? And so what you can see is Bitcoin is basically forming a wedge. This is when, you have positive energy in the system running into a resistance area. Something has to give, right? Sometimes it breaks out, sometimes it breaks down. right? But normally when it comes into that critical area of resistance, it does not stay the same. And that's what I see for BTC. Now, one thing you can also note is that during this past, I'd say 24 hours or so, Bitcoin has remained relatively flat right there at 7,700. However, the altcoins, that is a lot of red. So that money has essentially left the altcoin market and sat on the sidelines. It needs to go somewhere. So what I think we may see happen in the near and dear future is a quick surge of Bitcoin to retest this line right here, you know, as high as probably 8,000, somewhere between 8,000 and I'd say 7,800. It won't be much. I don't see this thing surging, you know, to $9,000-$10,000. It'll literally just be a few percent, you know, that kind of dissipates that money that just left the altcoins. And I see the medium line probably right around $7,800-$7,900. What's interesting about that is that once you draw kind of this horizontal line, and this is where this white circle comes in, once you get that cross right there and you drop a horizontal line from there, that's kind of like our delivery date, like our due date. When does this transition have to happen? And I think it has to happen on or before May 13th, 2020. So that's essentially, you know, 1 or 2 weeks. We could keep squeezing in this little bitty area right here. We could keep, you know, squeezing in that little bitty area. But eventually it's either going to have to make a move to the up or to the down, right? And so I think if we can break 8,000, let's call 8K our magic number, right? If we can break through 8,000, then I can see Bitcoin running all the way up to say $8,500 to $8,700. If we're unable to break through 8,000, then I can see Bitcoin falling as low as $7,200 on a quick cycle, you know, and then probably down to 6,800. So between 72 and 6,800 if we fall. And if we run, you know, then we'll be going all the way up there to 8,000. When do I expect this transition to complete? Well, I said the big move has to happen before May 13th. You know, and that's pretty much confirmed when we look at this thing right here. This is our Fibonacci, right? And one thing I like when I draw this right off the bat, it just went from this quick cycle. That's what we took, 0 to 1. The 1-6 begins this big run right here. The 2-2 to 2-6 is basically where we start to consolidate at. You have more consolidation between the 3-2 and the 3-3. This is our termination point. Just like I told you, something has to happen. It has to make another move up or down, right? And this line, this white box, a lot of people don't even know this exists in the multiverse, but it does. The 6-4 shows you where the absolute termination point of that cycle is, and it almost lines up completely with the trend line analysis we did of May 13th. This shows it completing a little bit later at May 15th, but basically that means that all that energy right here will be extinguished by this day, right? May 15th, right? Because basically the cycle is over, you know, and it has to enter another cycle. So essentially we are still in between two major big cycles. This is not, you know, the cusp of a huge bull run up to 12,000. We're still in limbo land. Like if you look, you know, this trend is still down and to the right, right? So we're yet to break out of this big downtrend right here. Now we had a really nice resurgence, right? But you know, we probably won't be all the way out into the clear until somewhere in the middle of June if this upward trend continues. But I think for Bitcoin to be healthy, for the market to be confident, at some point we do need to consolidate and confirm $6,800 as the floor. And so that is what I see that can happen again in this next quick cycle terminating in the middle of May. So there you go, people. But nonetheless, it's still some money to be made in the market. Just because BTC USD is not making you money doesn't mean you can't make money in the market. Prime example. This was a post I put out to our paid VIP trading members in the profit package and the boss alert messages. This is for Kyber Network. Check out the date on that post. April 25th. If you zoom in on that, you can see that Kyber hadn't even broke out yet. April 25th. Let's jump down on KNC real quick to the BTC. And again, my people, I ask you, all I need is a little participation and engagement. If you like this content, hit that subscribe button right now. Join the money team. The doors are always open. Check it out, baby. Men lie, women lie. Numbers don't lie. I gave this chart to my people. I gave it to them on April 25th, right? April 25th, right up in, let's tighten down a little bit. And this was a detailed chart. I did probably that video link I just showed you was about 15 a minute video, right? And April 25th, right here, right when this thing started to take off, right? It just started to take off. And you know what I'm saying? I gave the word to my people. I said, people, look at KNC, man. Put down 2 and pick up 6 like a boss. Bam! 30% to the date. I actually told them, check it out. See, when you're the boss, somebody got to be the boss, man. I told my people, I said, we got a limit sale right up here, right up under this 3.2 at 9,600 Satoshis, right? Guess what happened? It went up to that price, bam, kicked us all out, you know what I'm saying? And the market dropped another 18% after that. What did it drop after we sold? No, not 18, 10, you know what I'm saying? We got them for 10, so you make money on the way up, you save money on the way down, and then you look for the next investment to keep that money going around. This is what we do, right? The people in that group are very, very happy this week because we made money on ADA, we made money on KNC, and we made money on ATOM. You know what I'm saying? If you go back and look at coin market cap, right? No joke. Go back, look at coin market cap. Top 7 coins. This was all red yesterday. Oh no, we got to go to BTC. Top 7 coins, past week, right? XTZ had them. XLM had them. ADA got them. You know what I'm saying? A lot of people didn't even know about Kyber Network. Now, a lot of people don't even know what KNC does. Bam! 31%. You know what I'm saying? I've been in this game for years. You got these clowns wearing bow ties getting 10, 20,000 views. I'm helping the people make some money. So if you like this, if you want to join me, by all means, you know what I'm saying? Come on in, the doors are always open. This is how you do it. Bossofbitcoin.com. Scroll down to the profit package. It's $50 for the first month. Your first trade literally pays for the next 30 days. You know what I'm saying? $50 for the first month. VIP trading group. I think if you have more than half of Bitcoin in the market, probably $4,000 in the market, this is definitely worth it for you. You basically get 24-hour access to me. It's a premium group to where I'm giving daily updates, you know, probably 2, 3, 4 updates a day on all the different charts, all the different trades. This is the group to where I put the limit sales. So that KNC, they got that information to where if you just want the top 7 coins, you know, without this detailed analysis, then you can get that in the $50 group. But if you want, you know, the ins and outs of the market and a 15-minute dissertation on how to make money and more importantly, teaching you for the future, you know, well then, you know, put down 2 and pick up 6. Join us in the boss alert messages. Bam is what I like to call it. So there you go, people. We got the Telegram, we got the VIP trading, and we making money, man. You know what I'm saying? I don't care if Bitcoin goes up or goes down because I will make money either way, riding the waves. So with that being said, everybody, it's that time of the day. Signing out. Folks, boy BK, no matter where you stay. Brazil to Bay, or California, all the way back out through Germany. Good night, good morning, and good day. Thank you for joining. Thank you for your time. Hit that thumbs up button one time. Do that for me if you appreciate mine. And then also, I told you in the last video, drop a comment. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to show y'all some love. So let's see. Who we got? My man, Big Jared. Appreciate the love, brother. Let's see if we got some new people that I haven't seen. My man, Crypto Phoenix, getting those 2017 vibes. Upper Peninsula, still rocking the DCA and the HODL method. Appreciate your channel. Keep up the amazing content. Thank you so much for showing me love. My man, Big George, Jorge, thank you for joining me, brother. Mr. Thanksgiving. I said I'd call me Mr. Thanksgiving, baby, because when I sit down, everybody eats. You know what I'm saying? I'm making sure you get a plate, you get full, baby. You know what I'm saying? It's like Africa where you walk around fat and they be like, how you do that? You know what I'm saying? Who showed you how to eat like that? That's what I'm doing right now. And let's see. Who else we got? Silver, gold. Love the energy, the boss. Big up from Dubai, Big Hank. Thank you for joining, man. Philly, you know what I'm saying? Ghetto Genius, shout out in the building. I know the feeling, man. PA, Williamsport, New York, NYC, New Jersey, Boricua, Moreno. What's going on? Appreciate it. And wholeness and balanced vibrations to the conscious community, everybody out there. Good analysis, appreciate it. Big ups to my man Resident Ghost in Connecticut. Thank you for joining. And Spokane, Washington. And my man Gem, Gem. From Northern Cali, boss walking on the West Coast, Toronto as well. You know what I'm saying? You can see we got an eclectic community, and this is just one video. I used to get 40, 50, 60 people shouting themselves out. So again, I'm gonna open the doors up. If you want to show your people some love, let the people know where you're rocking out from. Leave your city, your state, your country in the comments, and I'm gonna get to you in the next video. Till we meet again. Stay cryptic, y'all. Peace.
Like a boss.
Huh. Arms.